To enter potential change orders as well as change orders, you need to start from the contract management screen. Again, this is so that everything that is related to a contract that has money attached is found in one place. So, to create a potential change order, go ahead and edit the contract that this potential change order is against. When you edit it, you want to go ahead and go to the potential changes. From this tab, you'll click New Item, and here you can enter a title, a description, the estimated change dollar amount, and the estimated change to the schedule in the number of days. You can say who submitted it, and you can give a submitted date either by typing in the date or using the calendar feature to select the date. You then want to assign a ball in court. This is the person that's going to review the potential change and either approve or reject it. So you simply start typing their name and then you're able to select it. The collected into change number is actually calculated from the VPO. This is when you create a change order and you pull in this potential change as a line item of that change order. It will update this field with that change order number. You can also upload any potential change documents by simply clicking on the browse, finding the document and clicking open, and then select upload. It's going to upload it to a document library and give you a link to access that. You can go ahead and click save when you are done. And there's your potential change. Now, when somebody wants to go ahead and review the potential change, they simply click on the three dots and they can do edit item. And from here, they can go in and look at any potential change documents, review the description, click on the review tab, and go ahead and say, all right, I'm approving this, and I am going to approve this change for $1,000 and 2 days. So I'll go ahead and put the 1,000 and the 2. I'll say that it was reviewed by me, and I can again select the date it was reviewed or go ahead and type it in. I would then change the ball in court back to the person who initiated this potential change so that they know the results of this change order. We can go ahead and click save. So this is where you can see any of the potential changes for a given contract. Now, when you go to the contract log, on the contract log, this will show you any of the potential changes that are out there. And you can go ahead and, if we scroll over a little bit, we can click to see any of the potential changes. So there's the one that I just entered that's open, and then here's the approved one for the $1,000. Now, when you want to actually create a change order, you again want to go to the contract management log file, and you want to click to edit the appropriate contract that this change order is going against. So I'll go ahead and select the edit. And now I want to go to the change order tab. Now on the change order tab, I can go ahead and click new item and give it a title, a description, say who is initiating this particular change and the date that it's being initiated. You can digitally sign by just checking the box. Again, you could browse to find any documents that go along and are associated with this change order and upload them. Again, you want to enter in a ball in court, and this ball in court will receive an email telling them that they have this change order that they need to review. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on the change order line items and go ahead and click new item. And then from here, you can give the line item a title. And then you can say, okay, based on a status of approved, here are the potential change orders that I can pull in as a change order line item for this change order. So I'm going to go ahead and select that additional electric work. Now the 1,000 and the 2 is the change amount in the potential change order, but you still have the ability to change that at this point. I'm going to go ahead and say, okay, it's $1,000 and a change of 2 days. So I'll go ahead and save that. So now that is our change order and our change order line item. And so now all we need to do is wait for the person who's approving it to go ahead and come in and approve that change order. And for them to do that, they would simply click on the 3 dots, to edit item. They could go to the review tab, and this is where they can either approve or reject it. They'll put in who reviewed it, put in the appropriate date, and digitally sign that they have approved this, and then change the ball in court back to the person who initiated the change order so that they know that this change order has been approved or rejected. If you want to see potential change order log or the change order log, you can go to the home page and scroll down to the useful links on the home page. And this is where you can either go to the potential change order log or the change order log itself so that you can see a listing of all change orders for the project in the VPO.